I would say that Whiteboard is a very complex tool, and we decided to trust a company that already knows how to do this right and already has industry insights and industry learnings on how this thing should work right. The first main thing that I would like to highlight for LearnCube is that it is indeed methodologically sound because it already has essential tools for that, marking right and wrong, laser pointer, being able to upload and annotate on the learning materials. LearnCube possesses very high quality teaching materials management, which allows tutors to teach students at scale. One of the main things that Whiteboard enables is effective collaboration between tutor and student, and being able to convert visual materials, methodological materials like exercises, textbooks into something more accessible for collaboration, interactive explanation, and being able to make these materials more digestible for the student. So yeah, Whiteboard is basically the second most important tool in our virtual classroom. At least half of our tutors, they use Whiteboard consistently. It's not one-off usage. Let's say hundreds of thousands of events of Whiteboard being opened. So this is high retention usage, with retention curve actually being smiling, which means that retention improves over time. So this means that tutors, they actually adopt this tool better and better. With LearnCube as a vendor and as a partner, we've been consistently receiving high quality support, especially in terms of integration, the very first stages. We have seen product improvement being implemented when requested. Probably the company is satisfied with LearnCube as a partner, so 8 out of 10, definitely, yeah.